Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Computer Vision Fundamentals. Teaching AI to see image recognition. Imagine teaching a computer to see like a human. That's computer vision. We'll use code to let computers understand images, identify objects, and even describe what they see. To a computer, an image is just a huge grid of numbers representing color and brightness. Pixels. Think of it like a spreadsheet, but instead of text, it's color data. We'll learn how to access and work with this data. Just like you focus on key features when looking at an image, shape, color, etc., we teach the computer to identify important features. This involves detecting edges, corners, and textures. Think of it as building a detailed description of the image using numbers. We use machine learning, ML, to train a model. Think of this model as a clever formula that learns to associate features with specific objects. E.g., identifying a cat from its features. We give the model many examples, and it learns to recognize patterns. Neural networks are the magic behind many computer vision models. They're inspired by how our brains process information, with layers that analyze data step by step, refining the identification process. Now that our model is trained, we can test it. We'll feed it new images, and it will use its learned knowledge to classify them. For example, classifying an image as either a cat or a dog. Computer vision is everywhere. Self-driving cars, medical image analysis, facial recognition. We'll explore some exciting applications and the developer roles involved. We'll briefly introduce you to popular Python libraries like OpenCV and TensorFlow, which are used for image processing and building computer vision models. We'll cover basic code snippets to get you started. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.